The Real Performance Report shows genuine clicks, impressions, CTR, and average position for actual search queries. In this video, you'll read a real report and find an actual opportunity. This real metric genuinely counts actual visits that came directly from a search result. This real metric genuinely counts how many times the page showed up in results, whether clicked or not. A real high position with genuinely low CTR often means the actual title description needs work, not the ranking itself. Clicks count real actual visits from search results. Impressions count how often a page genuinely appeared, clicked or not. High position plus low CTR often points to a real title description fix. Open your Real Performance Report and find one high impression, low CTR query. Ready to check which real pages actually made it into Google's index at all.